Hey guys, welcome back to the show. If you guys are new, this is the Daily Social Podcast where we talk about tech, entrepreneurship, and more. So if you guys want to know more about business, tech, and entrepreneurship and how to be your own boss, hit that subscribe button, and click the notification bell to know when we upload and for you to take a listen. It's an awesome podcast and hope you can join. What is going on, guys? Happy Wednesday to everyone. Now, I just want to jump in and say that I appreciate every one of you guys, and I really do appreciate your support. So, let's jump into this. So, the first thing I want to talk to you guys today about is why people need to be more creative and, have that creative process. And what does it mean for you as a content creator and a creator in general, whether you have a job as a creative arts director or a creative writer or whatever kind of creative title you guys have, why it is important that you make content for social and how it can help you mentally as well. So, I've seen a lot of people lose their passion to make content or create content for social, aka the internet. And it just sucks like when you lose that spark, that flame, it just like goes out like that, and it just sucks. But the thing about it is, for me, is that when you lose it, you have to keep going. You have to keep pushing out content to your subscribers, your fans, your followers, your audience that supports you. And for me, you know, when I started losing the audience, it really sucked for me. So, but you have to keep going. You have to, find clarity, find out what you're doing right, you're doing wrong, and you know having a mental break. I don't know, like going for a walk, or just like looking at the sunset, or whatever it is that you do to clear your mind and like get those thoughts running, really helps. And in order for you to do that thing, in order for you to do what you love and make it a passion around the thing that around the thing, or whatever it is that you're zoned in on, you have to, you know, take take that creative block time. Like, just, take time out for yourself. Like, if you're in the office, or if you're working on a project and you can't think straight, like, maybe go for a walk, or go for um like go out into, I don't know, the forest or whatever. Like, just like get away from the office for like maybe a few hours or so. And because a mental break for you as a creative person that creates content on the internet, it helps in certain situations when it comes to creativity. And by doing that, you've given your mind and yourself a chance to, come up with ideas for your platforms, whether it's on Twitter, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on, audio, visuals, um, you know, actual writing a script. So having that mental block is very, very important. And, going forward in 2022, more people need to do this. And, having that creative shift and that block in your mind and for yourself really helps you in the long run when it comes to, making content for the internet and, being creative and gathering your thoughts and, just engaging with your community online. So by having that creative block and, just like getting away really helps you, to not to, be creative and think straight. And then you can always engage with your fans and your followers. And it really does help you, you know, find that balance, find that threshold on where you can, be creative and have fun, but at the same time engaging with your audience and, finding out what they do and, connecting with them. So that's it for me for today, guys. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Daily Social Podcast. If you guys are new, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to get notified whenever we upload. And we have content when we have new shows for you every Monday. So make sure to subscribe to wherever you guys get your podcasts.